How to export data from Todoist to Google Sheet. Exporting data from Todoist to Google Sheet is quite straightforward. Just watch this video to the end if this is your question. So friends, the first step to do is log in into your Todoist account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, by the left side of the screen you can see some options such as search, inbox, today, upcoming, filters and labels, my project, etc. And then you can see other options as well. So the next step here is to select the project that you'd like to export its data. For me, I'm working with home. So after selecting the project, you can see the tags inside. And the next step is move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see share, you can see view options, you can see comment, and then you can see the more project actions. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you can see other options in here such as edit, add to favorite, duplicate, export as CSV, etc. So just go ahead and click on export as CSV, and then you can click on that. And then once you click on export as CSV, you would see your product, your data has been exported. Now the thing you must notice that it has exported as CSV, but it did not export to the Google Sheet, and this is because the Google Sheet has not been added as an extension or as an integration on my account. So that is the first step you need to do, is to add Google Sheet as an integration or as an extension. And to do that, move to the top left corner of the screen, click on your account icon. In the box displayed, click on settings, and then on the settings page, scroll down and select integrations. So after selecting integrations, you can just click on the browse tab and then search for Google Sheets. Okay, so where is it? Google Sheets. So you can see export to Google Sheets. You just click on that and then click on add, click on confirm, and then just like that, Google Sheet has been added to the account. So now that it has been added, the next step is now go back to the home address, move to the top right corner of the screen, or go to the projects whose data you'd like to export, and then move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see options like share, view options, menu, um then the more project actions, click on it, and then in this box you can now see export to Google Sheet, right? Just click on export to Google Sheet, and then a window would pop up at the middle of the screen. Then you can see permissions, click on confirm, click on already authenticated, and then you wait for your data to be, you can sign in with Google if you want. Just follow all of these procedures, and at the end of the day your data will be exported to Google Sheet. It's very simple, just like that. So ensure you try this out today. Okay, thanks for watching, and I ensure you have a good day.